All right. All right, you guys.
Huh?
Huh?
Never mind. Ik dacht, hier ga je wat zijn.
Ik zei ook wat, maar niet tegen u, hè?
Oh, laat maar dan. Sorry voor de interruptie.
All right. So last time we talked about the slow roll, and today we are going to do flips and flicks. And the flip is, of course, your the flip is like this, of course. Anyway, let's do it. All right. All right, here we go. Well, I never use flips actually, because I think flips are disturbing my flow. I usually use rolls or 180 flips to get inverted. But timing a flip is also not my thing. But with my rates, it goes like this. And my rates are 606 degrees, like I said in the last video. So it's just your timing, and you see I don't do my flips very well. I never use them. But I do use them with flicks. This is a flick. So to talk about flicks, a flick is a quick punch of the throttle to give your quad momentum. Actually, you throw it. So if I go to this tree and I flick it and I throw it over the tree, and now my throttle is back. So I go zero throttle after the flick, like this. Check my sticks. So a flick is really important, because with the rolls and with your flips, you flick it first so you have momentum and you have time to do your thing. And your quad can stay pretty long in the air without power, or actually with zero throttle. Let's see. So that's pretty long, so you can do a lot. And for your inverted stuff is pretty important. So train your flick. Hop. Just punch it over stuff. And for rolls, you can have time to do your rolls slowly, like we talked about in the last video. Because if you want to do slow rolls, you need to flick it. And the same with your flips, of course, which I never use. Instead, to get sometimes to get inverted like this. As you see, I'm not very good at flips. I almost crashed there. But I think it's nicer to get inverted with a roll, because that's more flow in it. That's why flips disturbing my flow, because if I want to go inverted, I go like this in a roll. It's much nicer than with a flip, I think. So the flicks are really important to do your tricks and to give you more air time. For inverted yaw spin, it's also very important. So practice your flicks and time your flips, which I'm not good at. I also have a little bounce there, you saw that? A little bounce in my flips. Anyway, my battery is done, So I'll see you guys in the next one when we talk about power loops. All right, cheers guys, thanks.